Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add percentage symbol in Excel without changing values. To start, feel free to check the links in the description below for bonuses and tools that will help you with our topic in this video. So first, we're going to calculate the value for the percentage. So select the cell that you want the percentage to be in, and we're going to type in the equal symbol, open parentheses, select the cell of the first value, /, and then select the cell with the total value and type in a closed parentheses and then asterisk 100, which multiplies to 100 to calculate the percentage. Hit enter and that is your value. Now to add in the percentage value, select that cell, right click on it and go to format cells. From here, for the category, we're going to custom and we're going to select this 0. And we are going to type in a backward slash and type in the percentage symbol. You can see at the sample it looks like this, so that looks good. Click on OK and it should apply it to that cell. Now we're going to hover through the edge of that specific cell to have the plus icon, and we can then drag it over the other cells you want the percentages to be in and just release your mouse, and that should automatically calculate all the other rows that you have. Thanks for watching, and again, you can check out the links in the description box for more resources to help you get started. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.